Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable suggest frequent contacts on Telegram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Telegram app in a device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy and security. Next, scroll until you find suggest frequent contacts. Then turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can enable suggest frequent contacts on Telegram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.